Today, I'm heading back to Queens for the entrepreneurship program and to talk to the students in Thomas Edison High School. As a young boy from Hollis, Queens, I quickly learned to surround myself with like-minded people and find mentors that I personally looked up to. That's why I love to create ways to be a mentor and a resource for the next generation of entrepreneurs. You ready?
What we do in the classroom will then be an extension through DAYMOND On Demand, where the students can follow up and have different resources as their idea continues to develop into a business opportunity.
I found DAYMOND inspirational because I find many similarities between us. He showed me that no matter what background you come from, no matter the color of your skin, you can really achieve something great. And it doesn't matter what other people think as long as you work towards it.